Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a video that might take forever to make and post, so I'm sorry. Also, apologies for the echo. As you can probably see, I'm in a new place. My fiance and I bought a house. Crazy, I know. I apologize for the echoing. We've been non-stop outside with the yard doing yard work. Right now he's running a load of brush out with my stepdad. So I figured I would at least start to make an intro or something for this video. I don't really know when this is going up or if it will go up. I might honestly refilm this part with him. I don't really know. But yeah, I'm really excited for this part of my life. I am 23 years old and I am going to officially be a homeowner by the end of next week. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm not really sure what exactly it's going to be. Probably include some things like we're gonna redo the kitchen before we move in. The floors need to get redone before we move in. There's a few things we really need to get done first. But once that stuff is done, we will be able to officially move in and I cannot wait. I can't wait. I so cannot wait. So with that, I guess enjoy whatever this video is going to be, because I don't even know at this point in time. It's like September 6th, 7th? It's before Labor Day. I don't know what day it is. It's my weekend off, and I've spent it here doing this. I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
In this shot, it definitely doesn't look as bad as it was when we first started, but a lot of the yard was very, very overgrown. Aside from ripping up all of the plants from the front of the house, we also had to rip away all of the vines growing up the trees, which is what I'm playing in right now. We definitely have our work cut out for us, but now that we've been in it for a little bit, at least at the time of recording this voiceover, it's starting to look more and more attainable every single day. We, of course, had the emotional support crew out for the days, in case you felt a little stressed or wanting to rip your hair out or who knows. A good pupper pet always makes me feel better, so I'm happy that my stepdad brought them. After getting rid of most of the plants from the front of the house, my stepdad decided it was time to deal with the bushes or hedges, I'm honestly not sure what it's supposed to be, at the top of the yard. But basically, we tied a tow rope to the base of the plants and pulled the plants out the best we could by their roots. It was really important to me to be able to see the top of the hill when pulling out of our driveway because I would really like to not be sideswiped leaving my house one day. And sadly, the only way to ensure that was to get rid of the bushes at the top, which is exactly what we did. And we had the yard looking a hot freaking mess. The outside alone took probably a day and a half to do all of the, demolition, but the cleanup took that day and a half and then some. We honestly still have some of the brush in the backyard because after doing the front yard, we decided to do the backyard. And yeah, obviously you can only do things so fast with so many people. Here is the before of the backyard where you can really see how overgrown it is, and you will also see the difference when I show the after shot.
Hope you're ready.
Here, Peter is trying to do the method of bush removal that we did in the front yard, but unfortunately, this yew bush, or yew tree, spelled Y-E-W, is way too rooted into the ground, and we just had to cut it off. There was absolutely no way we were going to get it out by this. Look at those tires spin. Unfortunately, the Ford was not rocking with it.
Yeah, there was no way this thing was coming out.
Alright, now let's need a pump again.
My lord!
And now you can see the final product of the backyard is no longer overgrown, and that whole back area is also completely cleared. There's my cousin. He wanted to show off a trick, so I let him. And yeah, I'm really excited at where this is going, basically, but we're done for outside until next year. Now it is time to start cleaning the inside, to prep for painting, and starting to paint like the trim and the ceilings. Here, my sister and Donnie are once again also helping me out with cleaning. Day 2, which is really not day 2, but cinematically, I guess it will be. Mark and I are on our way to Sherwin-Williams to go get some paintbrushes because we needed to paint the ceiling and the trim of the entire house. And Mark dropped his receipt, so I figured to just provide that information. Once we got back to the house and got our supplies, it got time to start to open the cans. I really wanted to get this cinematic shot, and then, the child decided to block it, but that's okay. Here I'm stirring, actually Mark is stirring the paint and getting that wonderful aesthetic look. I don't know, I've really wanted to get some good, B-roll shots for this video or video series. This is really the only room where you can see the difference in painting the ceiling. Mark is dance walking to the ceiling. This house was built in the 50s, so the ceiling is purple. Don't ask questions. Don't ask questions. That's all I have to say, is don't ask questions. And yes, the fan matches exactly. So we had some fun painting that ceiling where you can at least see the difference. Back upstairs, we're doing the trim. Mark is doing the ceiling trim because we are too short to do that. And yeah, I guess this is the start of a new series on my channel, and also just a new series, in my life in general. And I really am excited to see what this journey will unfold. Obviously, I am a 23-year-old homeowner now with my fiance, who I've been with for 5 years, and I'm just very excited to start our journey of life together, even more seriously than we have already been. So with that, I guess I will see you guys soon in another video. I can't wait to keep sharing this process with you guys. And with that, I guess I'll see you in my next one.